What's going on, guys? So I have another analyst price target for you guys, except this time we're gonna have an analyst price target for Tesla and NIO, which seem to be the two hottest electric car companies. So not only are we going to do an analyst price target for both these companies, I'm also going to be doing some chart and technical analysis, and I'll be updating you guys with some Tesla news and also let you guys know when Tesla earnings are coming out, because they are coming out this month. But before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on both these companies. Tesla and NIO have been on a decent run, especially Tesla. Also, if you're new to this channel, don't forget, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. Let's get this video started. So before we talk about the analyst target price for Tesla and NIO, we're going to do a little bit of technical analysis on both these companies. So as you can see right here, this is Tesla stock, and we've had plenty of support lines, plenty of resistance lines, and the most recent support line that Tesla has bounced off was this support line right here at about 180. And I've had this line drawn in before Tesla even hit that support. So it acted as a support line in the past, one time, two times, three times, and it hit it there twice, four times. And now it hit this 180 support line for the fifth time, most recently on June 3rd, June 4th. So ever since Tesla hit that support line, Tesla has been on a nice run. And most recently, we've approached this resistance line, which was previously acting as a support in the past and now currently acting as a resistance. So we have a resistance line right here at 250, which Tesla seems to be going above right now. So Tesla is well above this resistance line. So this could potentially mean that Tesla is going to be, we could also see this resistance line get rejected and Tesla immediately go below this $250 line. What I expect, especially after Elon Musk announcing that Tesla will deliver around 94,000 vehicles this quarter, it all depends on their earnings, on their upcoming earnings, what's going to happen with Tesla. So right now it looks pretty good for Tesla. They seem to be uptrending after having a nice sell-off, and they just announced that they're going to be delivering a record amount of Tesla vehicles this quarter. We're going to look at technical analysis real quick. Technical analysis is a sell, buy, and a strong buy for the 1 day. The 1 minute, it's a buy, and a strong buy. Tesla's currently up 3.37% today. Now we're going to do NIO. There's not really much to say about this company except that the fact that we've been on a nice downfall, hit a support here at around $2.50, and I think basically ever since Tesla's been uptrending, we're going to try to compare the uptrend. So Tesla started uptrending on June 3rd, and now we're going to look at NIO. NIO also started uptrending around June 3rd, so it could possibly be the fact that Tesla is doing good. NIO is supposedly known as the Tesla of China. So on June 3rd, as you could see, NIO started also having a nice little run. There's not much to say about NIO except it did hit the support line at around $2.50. We started uptrending for a bit and now we're kind of consolidating. So we're going to really have to see what happens with NIO. As of now, NIO went down 1.74%, currently down in the post market. Technical analysis for NIO on the 1 day is a buy, and a neutral. 1 minute is a sell, and a strong sell. So now we're going to go straight to the Tesla analyst price targets. And right here, this was an article from June 29th. So it is a little over 2 weeks old. So I think this article was actually written prior to Elon Musk announcing that they were going to deliver a record amount of Teslas this quarter. So we're going to give you the price target, but I will let you guys know that I do expect this price target to go up, especially if earnings are better than expected, Tesla's upcoming earnings. So even though the stock has gotten re-energized over the past month, the firm's US auto analyst cut his price target by 20% on Friday to $160 a share and reiterated his sell rating. So according to this analyst, Tesla's price target is $160 and reiterated his sell rating. He believes they'll come in line with Wall Street's estimates. His forecast calls for 87,000 deliveries. So that's about 7,000 less than what Tesla has announced that they will be delivering this quarter. We're going to go to another price target right here, which will be a price target for NIO and Tesla. So according to the latest consensus data compiled by Thomson Reuters, 6 out of the total of 12 analysts covering NIO recommended a buy for the stock. 4 of these 12, or 33% of the analysts, suggest a hold, while the remaining 2 analysts, or 17%, say to sell NIO stock, and this was as of May 23rd. Unfortunately, this was the most updated price target that I could find on NIO. I do have a couple more I'll be showing you, but We'll go right here. Wall Street analysts price target data suggests that NIO stock could reach $7.81 in the next 12 months. This price target reflects about a 98.7% upside potential from yesterday's closing price of $3.93 on the New York Stock Exchange. They are giving NIO a price target 1 year from May 2020. They're saying that NIO will be at about $7.81, which I think is pretty reasonable. That's if NIO bounces back. If NIO continues to decline, if NIO has another huge sell-off. And now we're going to go to recommendations for Tesla. So only about 30% of the analysts covering NIO's US pure Tesla recommended a buy with a consensus price of $274.01. The target price reflects an upside potential of 40.2% from Tesla's closing price of $195.49. So my guess is that this price target will also be going higher, because right now Tesla is currently sitting at around $253 American, and I do think when analysts release a new target price for Tesla that it's going to be a lot higher. My guess will be that it will be in the 300s, especially if Tesla does deliver on the record amount of Teslas being delivered and their earnings are better than expected. So here's another stock price target for NIO. We have a low target price of $1.70, a median of $3.80, and a high target price of $12.60, which totals to about an average of $4.87, and that's for NIO. So that's it for the target price. I do believe that they are a little bit out of date, but I will update you guys with the latest target price when a new one comes out. For now, we're just gonna go straight to some Tesla news, which is some pretty good news for Tesla. Tesla's updates make other cars feel like owning a horse. On April, Elon Musk said that owning a car other than Tesla would be like owning a horse in 3 years. But Tesla's frequent software updates for its cars seems like they could prove Musk's comments to be true much sooner. So what he's talking about is back in, I guess, the 1900s, back in the day when everyone was riding a horse in a chariot, it was kind of odd to see a car. Then 20 years later, owning a car was the thing. And now today in today's roads, you never see anyone riding a horse in a chariot. So what Elon Musk is saying, in the future, owning a car will be the same as owning a horse in a chariot, because that's just how much more advanced Tesla vehicles are. And the reason why is pretty much a Tesla can be updated, kind of like your iPhone can be updated, your Samsung can be updated. It's called an OTA, which is an over-the-air software update. One of the most recent software updates for Teslas was their driving visualization, improvement in Sentry mode, lane departure avoidance, and more. I also heard that on Christmas, Elon Musk sent out a tweet to all Tesla owners and they said, go check your car. And when the Tesla owners went to check their cars, their Teslas was playing music, lighting up in a certain way. So it's pretty cool that literally Tesla can update your car at any moment and improve your car. But at the same time, I do kind of look at that as a small disadvantage. Let's say someone hacked Tesla's system and then they pretty much controlled your car. That would be one of the disadvantages that I would see with that. But I could imagine that it would be very difficult to hack Tesla's system. So right here, Tesla's earnings. Mark your calendar. So we have the official date for Tesla's earnings, and it is on Wednesday, July 24th, after the markets close. So here's a preview of what to expect from these earnings. Free cash flow. Tesla's profitability in the second half of 2018 was short-lived. After posting positive free cash flow of $881 million and $910 million in the third and fourth quarter of last year, respectively, the important profitable metric plummeted in Q1. So free cash flow during the period was negative $920 million, as Tesla's overseas expansion of Model 3 deliveries during the period proved costly. Another one is automotive gross margin. And then we're just going to look at the full year outlook. Finally, investors will want to look to see whether Tesla maintains its full year outlook for vehicle deliveries. Going into 2019, the automaker said it expected to deliver 360 to 400,000 vehicles this year, representing 45 to 65% year-over-year growth. Despite delivering fewer than expected vehicles in Q1, Tesla reiterated this outlook in its first quarter shareholder letter. With half of the year in the rearview mirror, will Tesla maintain this forecast again? Since second quarter deliveries of over 95,000 vehicles were slightly above midpoint of management's 90,000 to 100,000 forecast, it will likely stick to its guidance once again. So I'm sure we all look forward to those Tesla earnings, which will be on Wednesday, July 24th, after the markets close. Anyways, that's it for Tesla and NIO. Let me know what you guys think about their analyst price targets. Also, I did say that I will update you guys with the latest price target, because I think that these price targets were a little outdated and Tesla's price target I think should be a little bit higher than what the analyst predicted, which doesn't surprise me. These analyst price targets literally change almost every month. But that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.